How did Tokyo Trials sentencing compare to Nuremberg? Have you ever wondered how the Tokyo Trials sentencing stacked up against the Nuremberg Trials? Both were significant post-World War II military tribunals aimed at prosecuting war crimes, but they had some key differences. The Nuremberg Trials took place from November 1945 to October 1946. During this time, 22 prominent Nazi officials were put on trial. Out of these, 19 were found guilty. The sentences varied widely, with 12 individuals receiving death by hanging. 3 were given life imprisonment, while faced prison terms ranging from 10 to 20 years. Interestingly, 3 defendants were acquitted. In contrast, the Tokyo Trials, officially called the International Military Tribunal for the Far East, ran from 1946 to 1948. This tribunal tried 28 Japanese military and political leaders. Similar to Nuremberg, several defendants were sentenced to death by hanging. However, the Tokyo Trials did not declare entire organizations as criminal, which was a notable aspect of the Nuremberg Trials. When it comes to the severity of sentences, Nuremberg had a higher number of death penalties compared to Tokyo. The Tokyo Trials focused primarily on individual leaders rather than labeling organizations as criminal entities. This difference in approach reflects the distinct legal frameworks utilized by each tribunal. Moreover, the Nuremberg Trials had a broader evidentiary base. They included extensive documentation and even film footage, which contributed to a more detailed prosecution process. The Tokyo Trials, while significant, were seen as less extensive in scope and impact. Both tribunals set important precedents in international law. They held leaders accountable for crimes against peace, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. However, the Nuremberg Trials are often viewed as the more influential model. The Tokyo Trials followed this legal framework but differed in scale and sentencing patterns. For those interested in World War II history, comparing these trials reveals how the Allied powers sought justice in Europe and Asia. This highlights variations in legal approaches and political contexts during the post-war period. Understanding these differences enriches the study of war crimes justice and its lasting legacy in international law.